Hey guys, I'm back again with another part of this tutorial on how to build a landing page with InstaFunnels. In this part, I'll be mainly covering the email automation part. In the previous part of the tutorial, I forget to mention an important part when integrating Stripe as a payment gateway to InstaFunnels. There is a one-time setup process you need to do before launching your landing page funnel, and you only have to do this step whenever you interchange between Stripe's test mode and live mode. Live mode is actually the mode where you start collecting real money. I'll walk through this part with you step by step in a minute. So right now I'm back again on the InstaFunnels dashboard. So if you want to integrate Stripe in InstaFunnels, you have to go through this one-time setup for each time you want to change your Stripe integration mode from test mode to live mode and vice versa. So all you have to do now is that go to the settings part right here. Once you click the settings part, then you have to find the tab called integrations. So from here, by default, it will point you to profile. So just click integrations. Then once you're in integrations, you can see that there's a part called Stripe account. So Stripe account here, all InstaFunnels need is your developer API key and also the secret key. So where can you get that from your Stripe account? Let's move to Stripe. So here's my Stripe account. I have a demo account right here just to show you guys how you get your publishable key and also the secret key. So right now, as you can see here, this part will be the live key. That means this key will allow Stripe to actually receive money from your customers. So from here you can see API keys, standard keys. All you have to do, just go to copy this publishable key right here. Just click the copy, and also the secret key. Also here, click the copy. So remember that if you want to go live, make sure you have the API key starting from pk_live. So if you're doing test mode, which is you want to run all the Stripe testing cards, then make sure you toggle this function, view test data. So once you toggle that, then you see that the API key starts from pk_test. Then your whole serial number at the back, and the secret key here, you have to reveal it. Alright? So once you get the key, let's say in this case I'll use the test mode, copy these two keys, just click the copy and just click reveal the test key and so on, and go back to InstaFunnels, paste it accordingly. Make sure API keys at the first box, and the secret key will be the second box. So once you are done, click connect, and it will show something like this, connected. So if you want to change to the live key, just click remove first. Then after you click remove, just paste the pk_live API key and also its corresponding secret key. So that's all for the Stripe integration with InstaFunnels. So now I will move on to actually showing you guys how to integrate email automation with our current demo funnel. So again, I'm back to the dashboard of InstaFunnels. So for this part 3, we'll be using 3 parts of InstaFunnels features to achieve email automation. So first part will be the campaigns, the second one will be the SMS and email templates, and finally the third one will be on triggers. Okay, so without further ado, we go to SMS and email templates first. So once we click here, as you can see, I have a few templates already made for my other funnel. So what I have to do now is I will create another test template just for these demo purposes. So add template, just click add template here to go to click email template. Right, so this is the email template that InstaFunnels actually use. So you can just type here test template. Then the subject will be can you, or maybe say have you received my email? If you do, hooray! It is a success. Alright, so just have this template email for us to know that we have received this email. Okay, just click save. Okay, so I've saved the email. Right here you can see this is the template. And the next one will have to go to the campaigns. So campaigns, we'll probably create another campaign. In this case, maybe I'll create for something called tutorial campaign. Tutorial campaign, and click save. Okay, so this part will actually be the part that is in charge of sending emails. Okay, so now we have the campaign configuration. Okay, this part I don't explain so much since I think we won't need this right now. I'll just do a very simple one. In case you want to go in more detail, then I would suggest that you should get the InstaFunnels tool and join my masterclass, and I'll show you in detail, step by step, on how to set up these settings. Okay, so to close it, just click on add event. So now we're adding an event now. In this case, we'll be doing email. So email, customize this. I'll say call this digital product email. Right, done this. Then you click the pick email template. We'll go for test template. Alright, so once we have that, you don't need to retype everything again. Use the template, then you're good to go. And click save. So this case, I will put send immediately just to ensure that the demo is quick. Right, once we are done with this draft, make sure you change to publish so that the campaign will run. Okay, now it's published. Go back, making sure that things are fine. Alright, now we go to the trigger part. Triggers. So what does trigger do? First of all, triggers are features where whenever the user interacts with a landing page, it will wait for that particular action that the user performs, so that it will carry out certain tasks that you set. So for you to understand what I mean here, we'll just do it right now. So click add trigger button. Trigger name, we'll just put tutorial trigger just for you to be clear on what I'm doing. So folder name we'll put for tutorial. Click save. Okay, so now we have to set the rule. So this rule is to allow InstaFunnels to know what needs to be done by the user in order to run this action. Okay, so in this case, InstaFunnels, let's select the trigger. So trigger in this case, because we're doing a digital product funnel, so we want to send a free gift immediately after they fill in the form. So all you need to do is that you have to find a part called form submitted. Right, form submitted is done. And then make sure you add the filter to let InstaFunnels know which form do you mean. Just click here, standard filters, form is, then select form, opt-in form digital product. That is the funnel that we have did in the previous two parts of this series. And now we'll go to actions. So once the system knows that this is the condition, let's add action right here. So what InstaFunnels should do in this case will be add to campaign. So I'll link the campaign to the tutorial campaign that we have created just now. So what I need to do, click save. Save and make sure activate. Make sure that it's active before you exit, otherwise this rule will not run. Okay, so we're done with the tutorial trigger and the campaigns as well. So now let's go back to the funnel itself for the demo. Let's go here, funnels, just for a quick test. Digital product funnel. Okay, let's go for the edit. So I'll go to launch the preview mode just to test everything. Okay, launch action, call to action line, grab a free copy now. Okay, maybe I'll type a name, just someone's name here, and email. Email in this case, I'll just use a demo email that I've created, then submit. So click submit. Okay, it's now in the sales page. So now let's go to the email account and check whether the email has arrived. Okay, so I've cut the video to minimize the waiting time and also the video length, of course. So our email has arrived. It's in the promotions tab right here. You can see from here, based on the test email that I've typed. If you do, hooray, it is a success. Have you received my email as the subject? So just to double check with the one in the campaign that we have made just now. Let's go back to InstaFunnels, marketing, let's go to SMS and email templates, the templates that we made, and there you go. Have you received my email as a subject? If you do, hooray, it is a success. Great, we have automatically received the email shoot by InstaFunnels. So in case you want to change the email service provider, so by default InstaFunnels uses SendGrid. So in case you want to use another provider other than SendGrid, all you need to do is go to settings right here. Then you have to go to this part, this tab, SMTP and Mailgun service. So once you click this one, just click add service, and you just click you just select one of the providers right here, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, SendGrid, or other. Once you are done with that, let's say you go for SendGrid, then you just fill out your username, email, and also password just to log in the account. And once you click save, then you'll be able to see your provider right here. So you just change the default provider right here, and you're good to go. So I'm okay with the InstaFunnels default service provider, so I'll just stick to it. So in case you want to change, then this is how you do. So that's all for today's video. So if you are watching this from YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you have any questions, also please feel free to comment right below. And of course, if you are watching this from my Facebook page, please don't forget to like and share to those who needs help in digital marketing. This is Bernard C right here once again from the Market Solvers, and I'll see you again in the next episode.